Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add clickable link in YouTube Shorts. It's very easy to do it and I will show you in just small steps. So first of all you have to open your YouTube account here, and once you're here, first of all you have to just click on the bottom right side corner, which is basically your profile icon here. And once you're here, you can see that, let's say I will just go and select first of all a link of a video. So I will just click on share, and I will just copy the link. So I have copied the link. Now I will just go to my videos here. For example, I will go and select my channel videos, and here let's say that I want to put a link on this short, right? So this is a short which is uploaded in my video, right? So I will just go back here for now, and I will click on the three dots which is on the top right, and here you will get this option of edit. And once you get this option of edit, it will just take a small minute of your time and it will get open. So here I am, and on the first option you will get the description. So just click on description. Now here you can just paste the link of your whatever the link you want to paste over your YouTube Shorts. So here I can just type your link and dash, so people will they will identify in a more easy way. And I will go back and I will click on save. So when I will just open this short here, for example, I will just go back and make sure it's saved. So our video and the description is saved here, and once you will able to see the clickable links over your YouTube Shorts. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.